वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। What are the tabs that appear at the bottom of each workbook card? Reference tab, position tab, location tab और sheet tab. And the correct answer is sheet tab, क्योंकि उस टैब पे शीट का नाम भी आप लिख सकते हैं, लाइक शीट 1, शीट 2, शीट 3 डिफॉल्ट आते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, what are the tabs that appear at the bottom of each workbook called? Media player, sound recorder, calculator, macro recorder. The correct answer is macro recorder. Right? Question number 3. B7 call B9 indicates cell B7 and cell B9 only. Cell 7 B7 to throw B9 मतलब B7 से B9 तक. Cells B8 only, cell B8 only, सिर्फ B8 और none of the above. The correct answer is B. Cells B7 through B9 मतलब सेल एड्रेस B7 से B9 तक, B7 भी, B8 भी और B9 भी, तीनों सेल्स सेलेक्ट किए गए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, सिलेक्टिंग द कॉलम G and H, then choose insert by right click, what will happen? 2 columns will be inserted after column F, 2 columns will be inserted after column G, 2 columns will be inserted after column H, or 2 columns will be inserted after column I. And the correct answer is 2 columns will be inserted after column F. Right? Question number 5. How to restrict the values of a cell so that only whole numbers between 9 and 99 can be entered in a cell? The setting tab under the menu data cell, the setting tab under the menu data validation, the setting tab under the menu data filter advanced filter, or the settings tab under the menu home conditional formatting. And the correct answer is the setting tab under the menu data validation. Question number 6. You can auto fit the width of column by double clicking on the column's name on column header, double clicking on the cell pointer in worksheet, double clicking on column right border on column header, double clicking on the column left border of the column header. And the correct answer is double clicking on column right border on column header. Question number 7. Which language is used to create macros in Excel? Visual Basic, C, Visual C++, and Java. And the correct answer is Visual Basic. इसको VB भी कहा जाता है. Question number 8. In Excel, you can sum a large range of data by simply selecting a tool button called Sum, autocorrection, or autocorrect, autosum, autoformat. The correct answer is autosum. Question number 9. Comments put in cells are called smart tip, cell tip, web tip, soft tip. And the correct answer is cell tip, क्योंकि हमने वो cell पे डाला है. Question number 10. Today's last question. Which of the following you can paste selectively using paste special command? Validation, formats, formulas, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो आज की पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.